Good morning students, class 7th. So town mouse and the country mouse lesson over completely. So now we'll do some exercises. So here glossary, some meanings are there. These meanings you go through. Country means, as you already know, village. Whereas affectionate means more concerned and love. Next, pack means arrange. Okay, arrange the luggage. Next, uncomfortable means unpleasant. Okay, not pleasant. Grumble means to complain about something. Chug means the movement of sound of train while it moves slowly. Those days it was engine train using coal, so that's what the sound was all about. Next, dreadful means same way, unpleasant, not pleasant. So question answers given, no need, because we will get the comprehension, and that from comprehension we will have to do the question answer. Now some options, tick mark the correct options, choose the options from the given options. So first one is what? The town mouse and the country mouse are. So the relationship between these two mouse are what? Actually, you know, they are either friends, cousins or classmates. So right answer is cousins. Both were cousins. Next, the house of the town mouse was a field in a village, a building in a village, a kitchen cupboard in a town. So the house of town mouse house ekkada. So answer is C, a kitchen in kitchen cupboard. A kitchen cupboard in town. Next, the house of the town mouse was full of the most delicious food, full of sugar canes and roots, full of coconut water. So answer is full of delicious food. Okay, A. Full of the most delicious food, all tasty food. Now last, at the end of the story, the country mouse dash went back to his country, stayed in the town, visited the town mouse. At the end of the story, the country mouse, the story after the completion of the story, where was the country mouse? So country mouse mali back helped kabatti went back to his country. So went back to his country, back to his village. This is 4 answers and options and tick mark. Now third one is true false. Whether true or false you have to identify. See, the country mouse lives in a town. Country mouse means village mouse. Village mouse lives in a town. Is it true or false? Yes, false. So first one, false. Second one, the town mouse felt very uncomfortable in the train. In the train, did the town mouse feel uncomfortable? Yes or true or false? Really, he was feeling uncomfortable. So second one also true. Third one, next, it was hot when the town mouse travelled in the countryside. During his visit, the weather was hot. Chala vedgunda. Yes, true or false? Yes. True. Okay. Next, the town mouse liked to eat cooked food. The town mouse ki cooked food ishtama. Liked cooked food or uncooked food. So he really likes uncooked food. So the fourth one also true. See the lesson understanding after, it is easy for you to write these answers. Now there are more lights, cars and lorries in the town than in the village. Village kanta town lo ekku lorries, cars, lights untaya. True or false? True. Ekku untayi kabatti this is true. Next, vocabulary. Vocabulary means what? Either synonyms, same meanings, antonyms or spelling mistakes or missing letters. These all are vocabulary. Okay. So now the following sentences are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined words in each sentence. So each sentence there is a word underlined. That underlined word ki manu correct meaning pettali. So what is that? B. A Roman ayipindi. B Roman. B Roman lo first one. So ikkada underline enti ichadu. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. So countryside lo 1 week spend చేయమని ఇచ్చాడు. సో అక్కడ కంట్రీ సైడ్ అంటే ఏంటి? A land with towns and cities, a neighboring country, a land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. So country side అంటే మీకు తెలుసు, a land without busy life, fields and everything, and outside the town it is generally with fields and woods. Woods ante karlu, chetlu, forests. The town mouse packed is like bags. Packed ante telusu kada, packing cheyadam anamata. So akkada to the option etevala, put something in a container to so that it can be stored, put clothes etc. into a bag in preparation for a trip away from home, or put expensive things in a bag so as to keep them safe. So some clothes ki bag lo petti arrange cheyadam, preparation for tour, లేకపోతే ఏదో వస్తువులకి ఒక కంటైనర్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టేసి స్టోర్ చేయడమా, లేదంటే expensive things in a bag so as to keep them safe, so that we keep it safe. So what is the answer? Arrange in a container for preparation of the tour. That is the right answer. So B is the right answer. Next page number 18. Okay. So today we are doing page 17, 18. So now 18th one. The day was bright and sunny. Sunny ante telusa, sun was hot and heat chala ekkuva undi. With a lot of bright light from the sun, with a cool wind from the east, without rain. So sunny ante enti? Brightness ఎక్కువగా ఉండడంకి sunny అంటాం. So the answer is with a lot of bright light from the sun. Sun నుంచి ఎక్కువ bright lighting ఎక్కువ రావడం. Next, he nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. Nibbled అంటే చెప్పాను కదా, bite చేయడం, తినడం, మొక్క కొరకడం. So took a large quantity of food, took a small quantity of food, showing a slight interest, and took food with a great interest. అంటే చిన్న మొక్క కొరకడం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోవడం అదా, లేకపోతే పెద్ద మొక్క కొరకడమా, లేదంటే మొక్క కొరికేసి చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద మొక్క కొరకడం. సో నిబల్డ్ అంటే టౌన్ మౌస్ చిన్న మొక్క కొరుకుతుంది, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోవడం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. టుక్ ఏ స్మాల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ విత్ స్లైట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. స్లైట్ మీన్స్ లెస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. లాస్ట్ వన్. The country mouse arrived in town. Arrived ante raadam. So ikkada answer rate avudi. Left for a place, got to a place, left a place. Left for a place ante oka place kosam velladama, ledante got to a place, place దగ్గర వెళ్ళడమా, లేదంటే left a place, ఒక place కు వదిలేయడమా. So arrived, left for a place, got to a place, or left a place. Left for a place అంటే ఆ place కోసం వెళ్ళడం. ఇది 5 options, vocabulary synonyms. Now fill in the blanks given. Second one. ఈ సెకండ్ లో ఏంటి? ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ గివెన్. దిస్ ఆప్షన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అరేంజ్ ఇన్ ప్రాపర్ ఆర్డర్. కరెక్ట్ గా ఫిట్ చేయాలి. సో రాంబాబు స్టార్టెడ్ హిస్ జర్నీ టు హిస్ గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్స్ విలేజ్ ఇన్ ప్రకాశం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ రాంబాబు. Okay, got a train to reach the village. The train arrived at the station. At that time he was hungry and thirsty. As soon as he dashed the train, he dashed the train, he wanted to, as soon as he dashed the train and they got off the train digeka ventane he wanted to drink something, so he dashed, but so he looked around ante venakadam, looked around for something, but so he looked around but found nothing to eat or drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way he found a shop which was dash cool drinks, which was dash plenty of cool drinks. చాలా ఎక్కువ కూల్ డ్రింక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. He had full of money, so he bought. So ఇక్కడ plenty of plenty of money and full of cool drinks ఉండేవి. So there plenty of money and a dash bread. So a dash bread అంటే piece of bread. So these all are the blanks from the options we have to choose and arrange exactly. Full of cool drinks. So the plenty అంటే ఎక్కువ, full of అంటే మొత్తంగా ఇంకా ఎక్కువ కనబడుతున్నాయి. మన మనీ దగ్గర plenty of పెట్టాలా, full of cool drinks. So he found a shop where it was full of cool drinks and he found it, and after that he walked and he got a piece of bread also. This is what we have done today, exercises from the town mouse and the country mouse. All the options you have to tick mark, then true false, then synonyms, then fill in the blanks. This is all, you write it down in your classwork and prepare for your exams which will be conducted soon. Okay, that's it. Thank you.